Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SoFi affiliate setup for student loan and investing, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring your SoFi affiliate setup, first, sign in to your SoFi affiliate account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the SoFi affiliate page and complete the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the affiliate dashboard. Here, you'll find various options and resources to help you get started. Next, locate the section for affiliate links and promotional materials. Review the available offers related to student loans and investing. Select the specific offers you wish to promote by clicking on them. Copy the unique affiliate links generated for each selected offer. Now, it's time to integrate these links into your content. If you run a blog or website, create dedicated pages or posts for each offer. Embed your affiliate links in relevant sections of your content. Ensure that your content provides value and aligns with the topics of student loans and investing. If you're utilizing social media, craft engaging posts that highlight the benefits of SoFi services. In these posts, use the affiliate links you created earlier. Consider creating engaging visuals or videos to showcase the services. Next, monitor your affiliate dashboard to track clicks and conversions. Review the analytics regularly to understand how your promotions are performing. If needed, adjust your strategies based on the data you gather. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions. This can help build trust and encourage more conversions over time. Keep an eye out for any updates from SoFi regarding new offers or changes. Stay informed so you can adapt your affiliate strategies accordingly. Lastly, make sure to stay compliant with any affiliate marketing guidelines in your region. This ensures that your promotional efforts are both effective and ethical. Follow these steps carefully to successfully configure your SoFi affiliate setup. By doing so, you position yourself to earn commissions while providing valuable information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.